the majestic flow of the Mahakam River lies a land where nature still speaks in its purest voice. Morning mist drifts gently through ancient rainforests. Towering trees stand as silent guardians of time. Nature remains untouched, far from the rush of the modern world. The winding river becomes the lifeline of the land, flowing calmly, reflecting the sky in endless green. Its clear waters whisper serenity, inviting every traveler to pause and breathe. Waterfalls cascade down rugged cliffs, their echoes dancing through the jungle, creating a natural symphony, only heard by those who truly arrive. Mahakam Ulu is more than a destination.